guys, what's going on? It's Neil here, and today I got my hands on the brand new iPhone XS. So I wanted to make a quick unboxing for you guys and share some of my thoughts on the new phone. It's going to be real easy, real quick, let's do it. Inside the box you get the manuals and stickers that no one really cares about, so I'll pop that there. And here is the phone. So as you can see, I got the maple syrup Macca's hotcakes finish. The phone also comes in two other colors, space grey and silver, 3 sizes, and 3 price tags. Alright, so we'll just boot that on. And straight off the bat, you can see that edge-to-edge OLED display. Okay, I guess we'll just unpeel it now. So inside the box you get your standard USB charger, not USB-C, but I mean, why would Apple do that anyway? It's not like USB-C is the future or anything. Wait, what? But it's not like their MacBooks only have USB-C, right? Wait, what? You also get the lightning headphones, but no adapter this time guys, so you're gonna have to pay a little bit of money if you still want the D. So now for my thoughts. I got the 256GB version because I feel like the 64 is a waste of everyone's time. I mean, you're not going to be able to store enough 4K videos, high resolution photos and slow-mo unless you're buying iCloud storage or constantly uploading and then deleting everything off your phone. It would have made more sense to give us a 128GB version, but I mean, you know Apple. To be brutally honest, if I had an iPhone X, I don't think I would upgrade to the XS. I just don't think they've added enough to make you want to drop a couple K on it. Now if you're coming from an older generation like the 8 or the 7 like myself, it'll probably make more sense. You're getting a much better camera, you're getting an edge-to-edge OLED display, and you're getting Face ID. And of course we've got Animoji, super weird, probably won't get used to it. But yeah, if you got an iPhone 10, just hang on to it man, like next year Apple will bring out something crazy and it'll be more worth dropping the money then. Comparing this phone to others on the market, I still feel like the Note 9 and the Pixel 2 are setting the benchmark in terms of what phones should be for value for money versus the amount of features that you're getting. But if you're in the Apple ecosystem, you've got a MacBook, you've always used an iPhone, this is still a pretty sweet upgrade, especially for those coming back from an older generation. Alright, so that was my 2 cents. Now, before you leave, I got 2 questions for you guys. If you're an Android user, I want to know what would Apple need to do to draw you into buying one of their phones? And for Apple users, what do you want to see in next year's iPhone? Let me know in the comments below. It was so good to see you guys. I'm just a dude on YouTube having some fun, so if you want to join me, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you later.